Our top story, an exciting time for a beloved local restaurant in Chatham County. Love's Seafood and Steak is back open after floodwater destroyed much of the building in August after Tropical Storm Debby. WSAV's Sarah Smith talked with the owner today about how they are moving forward.
Well, Love sits on the Ogeechee River, and while it makes for a beautiful view, the river rises often, and the owners tell me they were keeping a close watch on those river levels just this week. But of course, now those river levels are receding. But they tell me they do have a new fear after Tropical Storm Debby.
Debby was a nightmare.
Donna Love says she and her husband Fulton had no idea how bad Tropical Storm Debby was going to be until there was standing water 2 feet in some spots inside their family-owned restaurant. Flooding like this up into the yard is a normal thing here at Love Seafood and Steak, since it sits right on the Ogeechee River, but it's never come into the building.
This we've seen before and had to deal with getting equipment and stuff up. And knowing that it never came any further than where it's at now. Yeah. But yeah, with Debby, it came up past these chairs.
You can see the watermark in their lower dining area. They had to replace flooring, drywall, and some supplies. They say the repairs cost them about $300,000, but with much needed and appreciated help from their team and the community, they got it done in just 3 months.
There were so many that came out and said, you know, we have a pressure washing company, come borrow some pressure washers. We have, you know, I mean, just so much support from the community and neighbors and friends, and, you know, offering anything they could come do.
Now, taking a look around at the repaired restaurant, I asked Love what got her through this time. She told me family, friends, and her faith.
We prayed. Yeah. And I think a lot of praying got us through it.
And they're excited to welcome everyone back.
We're going to be here if, you know, what's the saying, if the good Lord's willing and these creeks don't rise again.
And this is a very special weekend for the Loves family. Not only is Sunday their grand reopening since the flood, but it's also their 75th anniversary. So they have a lot of door prizes and different events going on here. They'll have live entertainment, and just tonight they're open right now, and we've seen very many people come through their doors. So a very exciting time for them. Reporting live in Savannah, Sarah Smith, WSAV News 3 on your side.